Hi, let's talk about PID. I mean, pelvic inflammatory disease. Do you know what it is? Have you heard about it before? Do you know what happens when it happens to you? Well, women of these days suffer a lot from pelvic inflammatory disease, but they don't even have an idea what it is. Pelvic inflammatory disease is usually an infection that affects the female reproductive system. It usually occurs when a sexually transmitted bacteria travels from the vagina to the uterus. It becomes inflamed, it becomes blocked. So that way you will not be able to conceive, you will not be able to get pregnant. You will start feeling certain pains, you start going through certain things. Some of the symptoms of pelvic inflammatory disease are fever, okay? You start having body pains, excessive body pains, and then you will be having menstrual pains, excessive menstrual pains, severe menstrual pains. You'll be having groin pains. You'll be having pelvic pains. Your pelvic pains will become excessive. Sometimes you have severe headaches. And then your tubes will be blocked. You'll not be able to get pregnant. You'll be having painful sex. When you are having sex, you're supposed to enjoy it. But in this case, when you have pelvic inflammatory diseases, you will be having painful sex. You will not enjoy it at all. And you also be bleeding after sex. You'll be bleeding. You can bleed after sex, which supposed to tell you that something is wrong in your reproductive system. Okay, so when it happens like that, when you start seeing signs like that, when you start feeling things like that, please rush to the hospital and find out exactly what's wrong with you, because pelvic inflammatory diseases are dangerous. Those who are trying to conceive, those who are trying to give birth, if you start feeling things like that, please see a health professional. Rush to the hospital immediately so that they will see exactly what's wrong with you, because this can hinder your chances of becoming a mother or becoming pregnant. Don't forget, pelvic inflammatory diseases are sexually transmitted bacterials that travel from the vagina to the uterus, and it will cause a lot of problem for you.